Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and excuse the background noise. My son and neighbor's kid and her friend are out here playing, so kids get pretty loud, but I'm not going to spoil their fun. Just going to try to get through this video. Anyways, we got a couple products here from Image Wash Products. We got their Platinum Wash and their wax replacement. Now, I initially ordered their touchless two-step wash. I've been wanting to try it out for a long time. Tried it out, posted a video about it. You can go watch that if you're interested. But I think the Platinum Wash they threw in as a bonus, and then the wax replacement I just decided to grab. I've also got a viewer who's been requesting that I review it. So, of course, their direct competition on the market is Chemex. Chemex is equivalent to their Platinum Wash would be their foam. And then their equivalent to a wax replacement would be their snake oil, except snake oil is a ceramic infused product. I don't think wax replacement is. I think wax replacement is just a polymer. But wax replacement is more of a sheeter. Snake oil sheets as well, but does create some beads. It is a little bit more hydrophobic from what I've seen, but we're going to test it out and see. Now we are washing my mother-in-law's Black Ford Explorer. It has previously been protected with 3D Beat It Up. Which is a pretty good product, so we'll see how that protection's been holding up. But we're going to boost that with the wax replacement, see how that handles. Anyways, they also included this. This is a little foam injector hose attachment, so I'll try this out just to show it. I am going to be using foam cannons, though, of course. So we got the cheap Amazon foam cannons here, which I'll post a link to if you're interested in one. They've been great, honestly. I've got no complaints about them. And they're both under 20 bucks, so you can't go wrong with that. But anyways, let's go look at the label. So their label, not too bad. It gets the point across. High gloss finish, ultra rich suds. So this may have some gloss enhancers in it. The directions are apply product from the mixing hose, or add 1 to 3 ounces to your soap bucket or foam cannon. Wash in the shade, and first not in direct sunlight. Pre-rinse, remove loose dirt. Apply product liberally to a surface. Wash surface with mitt or brush. Thoroughly rinse and dry with a towel to prevent water spots, of course. Now, what you do is you wash with this, rinse it off, or you can use their touchless two-step, and then you use the wax replacement. So this is literally, I mean, pretty straightforward. It's a wax replacement. The instructions here: add 4 ounces for every gallon of water to a pump sprayer or a spray bottle and shake well. We're not doing that. We're doing foam cannon. 4 to 8 ounces of wax replacement into the foam cannon. That's a lot. Okay, this stuff's not very strongly diluted. So you just foam it on, rinse it off. Okay. So first things first, let's get these things diluted. So this says add 1 to 3 ounces. So we can eyeball that. Let's put 1 ounce, 2 ounces. It's not completely full, so I don't need the full 3. We got a little over 2 ounces just to be safe. And it does, ooh, it's got a very nice, like, blue raspberry candy scent. It smells pretty good. So I do like that. So far, Image has really impressed me with their scents. They're just really, really pleasant, enjoyable scents. Now this one is at 4 to 8 ounces, so we're gonna have to measure. Oh, now my dog's going too. Got kids, dogs, everything. These are little 1 ounce measuring containers. Oops. One ounce. It doesn't have to be perfect. 2, 3. We'll do 6 ounces. 4. Building something outside. 5. Like half this bottle almost. 6. So I'd say if you get the wax replacement, you're definitely going to want to get it by the gallon. Not these smaller bottles unless you only want to use it one time. This has an equally as pleasant smell. It smells like gummies, like gummy candy. It's a nice smell. I like it. Oops, hit the camera. Alright, so first things first is we're going to test this out. I'm going to do a small section of it like this. See how that is. So let me go get it hooked up on the hose. We'll see how it comes out of here. Now it does have this little valve on the side. It says off, on. So let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so here's a little hose foam cannon, I guess you want to call it. Let's see how this sprays out. So honestly, that's not bad. Considering it's hose pressure, not pressure washer pressure. If you don't have a pressure washer, you know, that'll work. That'll do. And then you can wash it after that. But let me get the foam cannon with the pressure washer connected, and we'll see how that does. All right, now let's see how it looks with the good stuff, foam cannon. All right, here we go. Not bad, not bad. Foamed up here. I'm not going to foam the whole thing on camera, of course, but I'm going to grab my wash net. I'm going to see how this feels, because this is how they would expect you to wash it. Now this is the Microfiber Madness Incredible. Put a link to the description in this. This is a really high quality microfiber on a really nice, well constructed wash pole. Now, soap, nice and smooth, nice and lubricated. Really got no complaints there. Now, if you got an SUV, truck, especially a big rig, things like this are very, very helpful. A lot easier to use, save you some time, save you some strain on your back. They don't do so well in the more intricate places, but you know, you can always grab a microfiber towel or wash mitt to get those spots. Yeah, there goes my dog again. Alright, now let's see how this stuff rinses. Hush. Alrighty. Yeah, it rinses away nice and easy, no complaints there. So I'm going to get the rest of this thing foamed down and wash it off. Then we'll test the wax replacement. Now, I'll show you, I'll demonstrate it on the hood, because on the hood, as you can see here, it doesn't matter what I do, I can polish this hood, protect it, but it just takes the most abuse. So I got really hydrophilic water. Sides are doing great though, so wax replacement may not show all of its capabilities on there. But I'm going to get this thing washed, and we'll be back. Alright, so we got the vehicle all cleaned off, rinsed off. So now we're going to test out the wax replacement on the hood and see how it does. Alright, so we're going to demonstrate it on the hood. Since the hood is not as hydrophobic as most of the car, you still see there's still water clinging on there, so we'll see if this makes any difference. You know, it cranked up to max. Go ahead and get it on. That makes much better foam than I had expected. Let me double check and make sure it doesn't say you gotta leave it on there for any certain amount of time. Apply to your vehicle. Dwell for up to 60 seconds. Okay. This is up to 60 seconds. By the time it takes me to change this thing and read that, it'll have been up to 60 seconds. Oh yeah, instant difference. Nice. Now it says leave a layer of microfoam, so it's a bit harder to rinse away. But since this is a dedicated foaming product, that is okay. It's products that are made to be contact washers that I don't like when it does that. Because after you contact wash, you spend even more time getting rinsed away. So this just means that foam is going to cling, which is awesome. And of course, it does smell heavenly. Works on the glass too. And the glass wasn't doing so well because of the constant wiper blade usage because of all the rain. So. Yeah, as you can see, water is sheeting away, left with a nice hydrophobic surface. Now you can use a leaf blower to blow dry it and finish drying with a towel to avoid any water spots. But yeah, the water is definitely not sticking to the hood now, so that's pretty impressive. This stuff, I was expecting it, honestly. I was expecting it to work, but I wasn't expecting it to work that well, so pretty impressed by that. Anyways, let's go back for our final thoughts. All right, so Image Wash products, Image Wash products, Platinum Wash, and their wax replacement. Great products. They smell amazing. If you like the smells of candy, things like that, they smell really good. I mean, they smell exactly how you'd expect a blue liquid to be scented. So really, really nice. I can still smell it even now after foaming and rinsing. It's a very strong smell, but it's a good smell. I like it. The kids outside were saying that it smells so good that they're going to eat the vehicle. But yeah, Images, they're a great company. I think, Image and Chemex, now Image's touchless washes, they didn't work so great, and I think it's because I have an electric pressure washer. Not that they didn't work so great, let me take that back. They didn't work as well as Chemex. They did work, they just didn't work as well as Chemex's products, and Chemex always works great for me with an electric pressure washer. Image, I think you're definitely going to need a gas pressure washer. Maybe they'll revise the products at some point, make them a little bit more stronger, per se. But we'll see. But their Platinum Wash and their wax replacement are top-notch, excellent. I mean, if you're washing campers, trucks, SUVs, big rigs, you can't go wrong with this stuff if you're contact washing the whole thing. I mean, Chemex, great stuff as well. So I'd say they're kind of evenly matched here with the effectiveness of the products. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll put links to everything in the description. And make sure you leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what's your favorite product to use to wash very large vehicles to save yourself time. Because I think this is definitely a good brand for that. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.